Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Sugar Kawesato. I'm here to give you a diet recipe. You will lose weight just for 1 week. But before I give you a recipe, don't forget to subscribe and click the icon bell button so you will be updated to my new video. So here's the recipe, and this is so easy and really amazing diet healthy dish. So here's the recipe. So you need a cornstarch, Chikuwa. I don't know if you have Chikuwa in your country. Carrots, mushroom. Oh, what's this? Konyaku. I don't know if you have Konyaku in your house. Salt, pepper, goma abra or sesame oil, dashi. This one, dashi. Mirin, soyu, and sake. That's all, guys. So we're gonna cut this and we're gonna fry it. It's so easy, and let's do it. Let's prepare our ingredients. So let's go. So guys, these are ingredients: the mushroom and the chikuwa. Okay, there, and our carrots, and our. So we're gonna fry this, and let's do it. So guys, it's only a quick. So let's turn on the heat, and we're just going to fry all. Okay, we're just going to fry all. tablespoons of soy sauce. And then sake. 3 tablespoons. And mirin. 100 grams of water of dashi, and then add the dashi. I'm just going to mix that all, and then that's it. So let's put it in our food. So let's add our dashi. Dashi chicken soup. Okay, and our soy sauce and all the ingredients that we prepare. Yes, like that, guys. And let it boil until all the vegetable is cooked. Okay, so we're going to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so we'll be back. So yummy. Until the sauce will become thicker. Okay, so another 5 minutes, because we need 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll be back again. So guys, we're back. I'm sorry to give you we forgot to put I forgot to put in the recipe in sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar, guys. I forgot to put it in our ingredients, so add sugar. Okay, this one is cooked, so it's time to set this aside and let's eat this. So let's get some plate and done cooking. Let's set it aside. So we'll be back. So guys, here's our healthy diet dish food. So I hope you like our vlog and tried it. You will lose weight in just 4 weeks. 4 weeks. So just 4 weeks in 1 week. So let's try it and eat this every day and see for yourself. If you will lose weight, just leave it a comment down below so I can share you another recipe. So I hope you will love this and let's get slim. So thanks for watching and I hope you like my vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more yummy diet cooking dish. Bye! Thanks for watching. Much love. Itadakimasu.